Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. The price line was moving in a bullish pennant, and recently the price action has broken down the support of this bullish pennant, but on the daily time frame chart it has found another very strong support. And in today's video we will try to understand whether the price line will move more down or it will use that support for the next bullish move. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's begin the video, but I would like to begin with this very big bullish harmonic pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on May 2021, when the price line was completing the final leg of a very big bullish reversal harmonic move, and that was the bullish bat. And I was expecting a big move from here up to 320%, and you can see that the price line reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone. I'm just going to play the chart, and in few seconds you will watch the result for this trading idea. The price line moved up, and this was more than 200% rally. The price line rallied from approximately 71 cents to $2.28. Now if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, then recently we have seen that the price line was moving in this bullish pennant, and after this last rejection the price action has broken down the support of the pennant. Now as per the target of this bullish pennant, we can expect a move to the downside after this breakdown. If we place this trend line here at the breakdown point, then the move can be approximately up to $1.2. So far we have moved up to $1.42, but there is a hidden bullish divergence appeared not on this chart. On this chart we have a bullish divergence. I'll show you the hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame as well. Here we have this bullish divergence. Like previously on the 4-hourly time frame, the price action was forming lower highs, and the RSI, the oscillator, was also forming lower highs with the price line. But recently we have formed here a lower than the previous high, and here a next high is also formed lower than previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI has formed higher than previous high. You can see that one high we have here that is lower than previous high, and the next high is formed higher than the previous high. So the RSI is not forming lower highs, whereas the price line is still forming lower highs, but the RSI is forming higher high now. Therefore, this is a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame. Now let's take a look on the daily time frame chart. Here I would like to first of all show you the different support and resistance levels. These are the major support and resistance levels. Previously we saw that we have a very significant support zone, starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.3. When we had this drop on 7th September, I told you that we are in a very strong support zone, and from here we can expect another move to the upside, because this support zone was breaking as a very strong resistance previously. You can see when the price action broke down this support zone here, and for the long time the price action has been struggling to break out this support zone that was breaking as a resistance at that time, and after a long time the price action here broke out this resistance zone. And even previously here, after this breakout, the price action back in Feb 2021 has been breaking this level, has been breaking as a very strong support zone. Therefore on 7th of Feb we entered in this support zone, but we moved up again, and right now we did not test this support zone again because we had some additional supports of the moving averages between this resistance and this support. Now right now you can see the price line is testing the 200 simple moving average. This yellow one is 200, this blue one is 25, this green one is 50, and this red one is the 100 simple moving average. And right now the price line is testing the 250 simple moving averages at the same time, and trying to break out this 25 simple moving average again, and you can see that this 50 simple moving average has moved very close to this 200 simple moving average. Once this 50 simple moving average, the green line, will cross up this yellow line, that is a 200 simple moving average, that will be a golden cross formation. That is a big invitation for the traders or bulls to jump in to KuCoin. And previously we have seen that that when we had this golden cross formation here, we had a very big rally after that, and after this golden cross formation we can expect that this golden cross or the 50 and 200 simple moving averages will work as a very strong support for the price line. Now let me just show you the hidden bullish divergence and the new support on the daily time frame. This is the same daily time frame chart, and here I've placed some trend lines, and here you can see that the price line has formed a broadening formation on the daily time frame. And recently after this drop, even though we moved below this support, but the price line has recovered above this support, and right now it is again moving at the same support of this uptrend line. And we had several tests of this trend line, like here, and here, and here, and right now we are again testing the support line here as well. So this is a very valid support, and we also have a very valid resistance of this broadening formation or the broadening wedge. And whenever the price line is getting bounced by the supports of this broadening wedge, it is all every time it is forming higher than previous high. So at right now you can see the price line is at the support. And even though we have broken down the support of this bullish pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, but if we take a look at the RSI again on the daily time frame, previously we have seen here we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame because the price line was forming lower highs, but the RSI is forming higher highs. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then here the price line is forming higher lows and the RSI is forming lower lows. That is the hidden bullish divergence. Therefore we can expect that the price line can move to the upside at least up to this resistance of this broadening wedge. And if the price line, for example, if it will reach here, that will be approximately $2.25 or to $2.30. And at $2.30 we have also another very major significant resistance level as well, and then we will have the next major resistance at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Right now we need to take care of this support. We need to watch out for this support, whether the price line is going to move up from here or it is going to break down, and I'm expecting that it will be moved up from here. Take care. Goodbye.